Everything we do at Power Financial is about creating leadership positions. And if you had an hour, I'd go through all of the things that we have across the globe, but everything we do is about being leaders in the markets that we're in. We've done that through acquisitions, and then we've done that through dogged execution of a business plan with a very, very long-term vision as to what we're going to create and sticking to it. We have built leadership positions many times before. What we're doing at Putnam is not new. If I go back to the mid-1990s, Great-West Life in Canada had about a 3-4% market share in the individual business, and in the group businesses was in the low double digits. You fast forward to 2013, and Great-West Life has got between 25 and 30% of all life insurance and life insurance wealth management markets in Canada. It's Great-West Life, it's London Life, it's Canada Life. It was done through a series of acquisitions and then dogged execution of a business plan with a long-term view as to what we're trying to achieve. Also in Canada, a number of colleagues here from IGM Financial, Mackenzie Financial Investors Group. We are roughly mid-teens market share in the mutual fund market in Canada. Investors Group, if you're not aware, is the old sister company to Investors Diversified Services, now Ameriprise. Investors Group has 4,600 financial advisors. If you put that in the U.S. context, 10 to 1, that would be like having 46,000 financial advisors in the U.S. market. It's obviously a force in Canada. And Mackenzie is very much a Putnam type of business model, and collectively IGM is the force in mutual funds in the Canadian market. If I flip over to, or come here in the States, out of Denver, Great-West Life Financial is the 4th largest defined contribution record keeper in the U.S. with 4.7 million Americans in its DC plans and in those of its partner firms. But if I go back to 1995, it was the 35th largest DC provider in the U.S. market. Again, it's been a long-term, 18-year voyage to create a position in the marketplace. In the United Kingdom, Canada Life is the largest group insurance company in the market, in both group life insurance and in living benefits, disability. And we're the 4th largest annuity provider in the UK market. Again, leading positions. We bought Irish Life 3 weeks ago for $1.75 billion. Irish Life has about 30% of the Irish life insurance and pension market, and is a big asset manager and the leading asset manager in the Irish market. A great deal, and again, it's going to provide us with a leading position. So, our business model is one of saying we're not going to spread everywhere on the planet. We're going to pick our spots, we're going to focus on them, and then we're going to build ourselves into a top provider and get the benefits that come with that, both in terms of what you can do to invest in your clients, maintain your leadership position, and ultimately make money, obviously, for ourselves. And so the markets we're focused on are very specific. They're the savings, retirement, and protection markets. We're basically North America, and the UK is where the big part, the British Isles, the UK, Ireland, as our main geographic focus. And we focus very highly on financial advisors. We're really not a direct-to-consumer business, but we also have group businesses, obviously, like DC, where there is a direct on the group side relationship. But it's financial advisors and corporate sponsors. Those are really the markets, and we say that's where we're at, that's where we're focusing. Lots of global companies have got positions in 17 different emerging markets, and we kind of look at that and say it's a bit of a flag planting exercise. You go around and you put a flag across the globe and you put it in your annual report and you feel good that you're a global player, but you really don't have serious businesses. We'd far rather be concentrated and be very significant where we do play.